Hello friends. In this video I will show you how to fix update issue of Windows Defender, but before starting please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. So, let's start and just follow my steps. At first it will not download update. By right-clicking Start button and type Services MSC. Then search for Security Center and click Restart and that search for Windows Update and then click Properties to make the startup type automatic, then apply it and click Restart. This will definitely work and update will be installed. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it. If you like it then please subscribe my channel.